Time to go see how the rice is doing. Alright, so this rice is looking great where the plastic is big enough to hold the water. And this rice is not looking as good because I've got that low spot in the plastic over there. So I think I might also have, I wonder if I have a split somewhere else because it's not holding water even up to that point. Anyway, the rice that's where it's flooded looks great, so that's awesome. Fig tree's doing well. Let's go check the strawberries. Look at that. Oh, this patch. Oh, look at that. Oh man, they're just going nuts right now. Oh, this is great. Look at all that. Holy cow. That is a welcome thing to come home to. Oh, that's fantastic. Look at them all. Wow. Oh, look at that one. Ooh, I know what I'm having for breakfast. Oh man, that is awesome. Definitely need to get this area cleaned up. Now that I've got all the seedlings off, I need to clean up the plastic and all the things that just kind of got thrown and left in the beginning of the season. Let's go see how the hops are doing. Well, the weeds are so bad over here that the hops keep falling off and climbing onto the weeds instead of the trellis. So I'm trying to stay ahead of that. I may have to come out and tie this on because I keep doing this and it falls off. This one looks okay, except that it's now not doing its own thing here. Supposed to find something to climb onto and do it itself. That one looks great. Awesome, that's doing it. That one over there is looking good. I like those ones where I don't have to do any work other than the work in the beginning to set it up. So those are the ones that are my favorite hops. All right, last thing is to see how things are doing in this soup house. Noticed one tomato in here before I left that I hadn't put the string up yet, and it looked like I needed to because it was starting to tip over. So I'm hoping that things are growing well, but not so well that everything's tipped over. Wow. Ooh, yeah, first cucumber. Look at that, awesome. Some little tiny peppers. I actually probably gonna take off so that the plants catch up. Oh, things are looking great in here. I think I'll go turn the hoses on. I definitely need to get in here and shoot prune. Get rid of all these things here. This was an extremely unwelcome sight. I'm sorry to report that the bottom gave way on this swallow house. It looks like at least 3 of the babies fell out and are now sheltering in this stone wall. My goal here is to close it back up, though I'm not sure what good it will do. That could have gone better. I definitely don't want to touch the babies. The mother and father are swooping around in a panic. All I want to do is close the bottom back in. I don't think the babies will get back in the nest, but hopefully the parents won't abandon everything. After picking and eating all the strawberries this morning, I did a fair bit of weeding. All these weeds add up to a lot of green matter for the compost pile, and like any other green matter, they need carbon. In my case, that equals horse manure. I was pretty psyched to find all these little terracotta pots at a hardware store the other day. So, before I go to bed for the night, I think it's time to put this rosemary into their permanent homes.